name is Letitia. I'm a brand strategist, designer, and coach. I am excited to bring this 2-hour workshop to you because I realized, gosh, in the last few months, I generate over $6,000 in income just from leads coming through my Instagram. You heard that right, $6,000 a month just from posting to my Instagram account and posting engaging content. And I know that a lot of you are hoping to convert most, if not all, of your sales through one of these mediums that you're spending all of your time on. So I created this 2-hour workshop just for you. It's going to be your ultimate guide on how to create an attractive business brand that builds authority and generates income using Instagram. In this workshop, you're going to learn the best branding techniques that will attract your dream clients that are willing to invest in working with you. You're going to develop some lead generation strategies that will fit in with your limited schedule. You're going to get branding inspiration from a 14-year marketing veteran and 7-year graphic design veteran. So hello. You're going to learn the best practices for using IGTV to build brand recognition, authority, and generate leads. You're going to explore the best photo and video apps that I use on a regular basis to create my engaging content, and we're going to help you build some video confidence so that you can do more stories and lives. At the end of this workshop, you're going to walk away with a renewed understanding and inspiration for managing your business Instagram account. You'll also have the techniques and resources that you need to grow your account in a meaningful way that will generate leads from your dream clients. I hope to see you in there.